Welcome to Let's Pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I learn the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour. To finish off the mushroom series with my last two mushrooms, this is going to be cute. We're just going to do a simple swipe with some amazing colors and see how it turns out. Maybe we'll do a radial swipe. I haven't decided. Most of these paints are just mixed with American Floetrol, although I think I'm using the TLP Constellation, and I'm going to try to scrape out the last of my Majesty, maybe, which are the Bloom recipe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. face. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
I think I'm gonna like this one. Proper swirl.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where
Time to do a flyover. These are freaking cool. I don't even know which one I like best. I know I love this blue. Kind of wish there was a little more pink on there. Now where orange always seems to take over. I tried putting so much pink in there too, and it just thinned right out. So I went a little heavy with the pink on this one, doubled up on it. And look at that. That is cool. So this is just a single kind of like little arch swipe that you can barely see. Spun off most of the color even though I put it down low. And then there's just some lacing over the base paint. This is my radial swipe. That yellow is really turning green because of the blue. I had a feeling, hopefully it really won't look too bad with the orange when it dries. That's why I went so heavy with the pink and some purple in there. But I'm loving that one. It is so cool. All right, let's see how they dry. Ooh, these are freaking cool. I love both of them. I wasn't sure how I would feel about this orange one. But wow. And this one? Freaking gorgeous. And put them next to the only other one that I have left. And those are awesome. Still love that one. So cool. Freaking amazing. All right, there you go. My mushroom series in the bag. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Creative Art Collective collaboration. Just before me was the incredible Taslima Maya Art, and as usual every week, me in the middle, and then I'm followed by Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. Be sure to go check out their videos. The link is in my description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It really does help us out. And as always, keep creating. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations.